Alright, so, alright. I'm gonna show you how to fix this atmosphere problem. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so y'all fix this. What to do? I'll show y'all how you fix this. So you open the atmosphere. It's gonna take a while. To open. I don't know why it takes all day just to open. Alright, so it's not gonna show it on mine, so let me go to KeyScape because I'll show it on KeyScape. So KeyScape. Alright, so here it is. So you need to make a file that says Steam. Make sure you make a file that says Steam and make sure it's on the desktop or an SD chip that's in your laptop. Once it's there and you got one of the programs, either one, KeyScape or Atmosphere, download it. Make sure you have that folder created, and then you drag. You pick the folder in the Steam folder. Since it's KeyScape, so I already got it made in here. So you just click here, and then you should see a Steam folder sharing right here. On this sphere, then you click select. Let's do that again. I think I did it wrong. Steam, and now it says link successfully. And that's how you fix it. Just keep clicking, and there it's fixed. That's how you fix it. So if it don't show what you want to do, delete that, and then you want to reopen it. You're going to reopen it, and then it should fix itself once you reopen it. And there you go. Click it, and there you go. That's how you fix the WAV file. For more videos like this, make sure you guys make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Still recording. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.